Hey, what's going on YouTube? Mike here, back with another video. So if you're looking for an affordable pair of budget gaming speakers, then you might want to check out the Edifier HECATE G1000 2 speakers. And today we're going to do a quick unboxing and feature overview of these speakers. Now, if you want to check out these speakers online, I will drop some links below in the description in the comment section. And with that said, let's get started. Alright, so unboxing the G1002 speakers is pretty straightforward. You just get the speakers themselves, in addition to some equipment for connectivity, including your cables, as well as some paperwork. Now, in terms of design, they are clearly made with gaming aesthetics in mind. They're pretty compact as well, so they're just 10.2 centimeters wide and 12 centimeters tall. And the front of the speakers does feature a see-through shell, and you get some built-in customizable lighting, which adds a bit of visual flair to the speakers themselves. On top, you do get the power button, your volume buttons, as well as a multifunction button for sound effects and lighting effects. And of course, on the back, the speaker does come with the connectivity ports. They do work with a wide range of devices, and for this video, I'm just gonna set them up here with my computer desk just to give you guys an idea of what they look like. Now, setting up the G1002 speakers is pretty easy. You can either use 3.5mm audio connectivity for these, although they also support Bluetooth 5.4, so if you want to use them wirelessly for a bit more convenience, that's going to be an option with these speakers. As for sound, Edifier says that they do come with 2.5-inch full-range drivers, in addition to a maximum of 8 watts output, and you do get 3 different modes with the speakers, so there's music mode, gaming mode, and of course, movie mode. Now, a recording from my camera's microphone isn't going to be the most accurate representation of how they sound in real life, but nevertheless, here's a quick sample for you guys. Alright, so as for pricing, they can be found for around 80 bucks in the US or around 60 to 70 pounds here in the UK, depending of course on where you're buying them from. But yeah, I personally think that you can't go wrong with these speakers. They do sound nice, they come with a very interesting look, and if you're after something with a gaming oriented design, then I think that they would fit in well with your setup at home. So yeah, if you made it all the way to the end of this one, thank you so much. Let me know what you think about the G1002 speakers in the comments below. Are you planning on getting them, or do you already have them? Thanks all for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.